Welcome to MAPOG. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of leveraging our map analysis tool to enrich your shapefiles by incorporating additional attributes. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to enhance your maps with more detailed information. Let's begin exploring how to take your mapping projects to the next level. Access the analysis tool and kick off the process by clicking on Add Upload. Opt for Upload Vector File to input your data. In order to merge attribute data to this shapefile, click on the Analyze Data option. Then, select Excel Attribute Tool to merge your data seamlessly. In the Excel Attribute Tool, upload your CSV file and select the same attributes in both the files for merging. Once you've matched the attributes, click on Submit. This will merge the Excel file data as an attribute of the shapefile. In conclusion, MAPOG stands out as an excellent platform for enhancing mapping projects. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features, such as adding attributes to shapefiles with ease, make it a top choice for users of all skill levels. Click on the pencil icon to rename the map if desired. Then, click Save Map to apply the changes and keep your data organized. Share your findings with others effortlessly. Also click the Action button. Select Export Layer to choose from various formats. Pick the format for easy integration with other tools. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@mapog.com. Explore our range of innovative products for more exciting possibilities.